Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how to transform a sketch into a flat hand-drawn illustration using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First, create 3 layers. One for the sketch, one for the color, and one for the outlines. Then, open the sketch file and align it with the artboard. Double-click the sketch layer to set it as a template layer. Let's begin working on the outline layer. Adjust the line's position slightly to enhance its appearance. Copy the outline, paste it in front, and cut it using the Shape Builder tool. Follow this same approach for the rest of the outline and ensure that each outline is created in proper shapes. Now, select all the outlines and make their caps and corners rounded. Select the Width tool to create a custom shape for the outline. Now, I'll show you another method. Select the outline, and then click on the stroke profile style to choose one that complements the design. Now, adjust the outline sizes. Now, bring all the colors that we will use for this illustration. Select all the outlines and change their color to dark blue. Now, select the outlines and copy them. Lock the outline layer and hide the outline layer. Apply it to a color layer. Group the outlines from the color layer. Select the outlines one at a time and add color to each of them. Follow this same approach for the rest of the outline. Delete the unnecessary outline from the color layer. For the leaves, select all the outlines, go to the Object menu, and make them expand. Now, select the Shape Builder tool and adjust the shapes by cutting them in proportion. Follow this same approach. Now, let's enhance the design by adding some shadows. Make sure to open the outline layer to check that everything is in order. Adjust the outlines with shadows. Our design is complete. Now let's finalize it.